Let's make this simple banana flavored custard ice cream. It's so simple. Into a bowl, go in with your milk powder and you want to add some warm water to this. Mix until everything is very dissolved. You want it to be free from all the lumps. So that's why we are using hot water or warm water in order to be able to melt and help dissolve everything. Mix very well until you achieve something like this. Set it aside and into a separate bowl, you want to go in with your banana flavored custard, and this is how it looks like. Just put everything in it like this and then you add room temperature water to mix this. You do not want your mixture to be light. You want it to be a bit thick. That way when you pour the hot water or boiled water on it, you will achieve the best or the result we want. So mix until it's free from lumps and then you add in your boiled water. The water should be boiled. It shouldn't be warm or cold. It should be boiled. And when you are mixing this, you have to mix until you get your desired consistency. In case you don't get your desired consistency, you can go ahead to add some more warm water to be able to achieve that. Mix until you get something like this and then you go in with your condensed milk or any sweetener of your choice. So most of you usually ask me why I don't add sugar. Condensed milk has some sweetness in it and it's just enough for me. So that's why I use condensed milk instead of sugar or honey. Add your flavor of choice and now you go in with your custard just as you see here, and I use banana flavor because this is banana flavored custard ice cream, so I just want to add up to the banana flavor already in the custard, and this is the consistency we have. It's just perfect and you can see it's very, very creamy. Now we'll transfer these into a popsicle mold or a nylon, just as you see right here. Either of them, it's just fine. So just go ahead and do that and transfer them into your fridge just like this. And yeah, our ice cream is just ready to be enjoyed. I hope that you found this video helpful. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't done that yet. Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you want to enjoy amazing ice cream content like this, then you should click on this playlist right here and you'll get all our sweet recipes right there, and I will link the other ones in the description, so do also refer to them, and I will see you on the next one. Until then, stay safe. Bye.